And she was telling us about when she went on a trip to Africa where the issue of concern was sex trafficking of girls. She had been talking to a lot of people, doing a lot of reading, speaking herself as an expert. And rather than going and telling people what they should do to solve this problem, she asked the magic question. In a particular village she told us about in Zambia, she sits down with the village elders, and 3 girls in that village had been sold by their parents in the previous year to sex traffickers. And she asks these village elders, what would it take for those 3 girls not to have left the village in that way? And they told her an electric fence. An electric fence? They said, the elephants are trampling our crops of corn, and we don't have anything to eat. These girls, they were starving. So Gloria Steinem goes back to the States. She raises a few $1,000s. She sends it to this village so they can put up an electric fence. She comes to visit again 3 years later, and the way she describes it, there's singing, there's dancing, there's a bumper crop of corn, and no girls have left the village in that way since they got the fence. The magic question is, what would it take? It's a magic question because, first of all, it empowers the other party as the expert they are. It builds trust. They are the expert on their own situation. If you had been studying this problem like Gloria Steinem had, you would never, ever, ever have come up with a solution of an electric fence, right? At the same time, it shifts the other party from a judgment and decision-making mode to a problem-solving and collaboration mode. And thirdly, it implicitly has the other party committing to the outcome after they give you the roadmap. If these things happen, they are committed to whatever it was that you're looking for. In this case, it's the village elders, when they say what it will take is an electric fence. It's not that magically an electric fence keeps the girls in the village, but after they have committed to what we need is an electric fence, then the elders also take action and make sure that no girls are going to leave the village now that they have an electric fence.